If you're sick of the get rich quick bro dude trading bullshit that's just a pump and dump of your wallet, you'll be pleasantly surprised when I tell you that at the age of 57, I have found a trading platform that allows me to trade using other people's money and leveraging that money to make more money. And I've been using it now for almost a year. And I started with a $49 account. So I was able to get $50,000 with someone else's money to trade for 49 bucks. Now, you could do the same thing, and I'm going to show you how. But first, I want to make sure that you go and download the Smart Woman's Guide to Trading. That will give you even more information on how I started trading and the tools and the indicators that I use now so that it's much easier now than it was in the very beginning. There's a heap of information in this guide, and it will definitely change the way you trade, something that you definitely want to get. The link is in the description. I'm Nicole. I'm a Gen Xer, and I decided to sell it all and start over at the age of 57. I recreated my life. Very scary. People tell me that I'm courageous. I agree with them, but I'm also very resilient. I have to be every single day. I crossed the Mexican border driving alone with 2 dogs and my cat over 1,480 miles, making it through numerous checkpoints with guns and a lot of toll booths. And I got lost along the way. And I found my new home in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, a little apartment that I really like. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I'm manifesting and attracting my first $1 million business online. And I'm doing this through YouTube, TikTok, trading, and my affiliate links. And you can join me for the journey. Here is the 3-part strategy on how to start small so that you'll win big in trading. This $50,000 account with Top Step allows you to learn without bleeding out. Smaller trades equal smaller mistakes. I want to give a shout out to Top Step TV, which is a link in the description below. These guys on Top Step TV in the morning are so good. They have so much knowledge and so much information. It's where I found my coach, who I absolutely adore. And she has taught me so much about trading. And she has an incredible course that I also link to in the description below. None are affiliate links. I don't make any money off of you when you click. So you can be really happy that you're not giving me any money to go and buy something affiliate. But there are other affiliate links on my Stan store, so you can check that out. The next thing that I learned how to do with these start small and win big 3 rules, 3 strategies, is that I used smaller contracts when I started out. I used 2 contracts instead of the 5 that I was allotted so that I didn't make the biggest of mistakes. And I got used to the trades and the product I was trading during that time. Each product that you trade, whether it's the NASDAQ or the S&P or gold or oil or whatever you choose to trade, you'll find that they have their own idiosyncrasies at certain hours. And you'll find that once you start watching the charts, you'll know when the most volatility is. And then once you get really good at this, you can start to upgrade and get bigger and bigger with your accounts so that you don't have to go as far on the chart to make as much money. Today, I'm sharing with you my current trading combine account. This current combine account is now at 14 trades. I've had 11 wins and 3 losses. But in order to get to that stat, I've had to spend a lot of time in front of the charts. Don't compare yourself to me or anyone else when you start trading. Just do the best that you can do. You'll have a chance to get there faster when you check out the other videos on my channel because I share with you the tools that I use and the indicators that I use to make it a lot easier now than it was in the very beginning. The sign-up page for TSX looks like this. And again, I'm not an affiliate for this, and this is not an affiliate link. But this page shows you the different types of accounts, and you just follow the link and follow the prompts. It's not that hard. I'm not going to walk you through this. When you sign up, there are 3 rules, though, not to implode your account. Follow these 3 rules so that you're at least keeping your account and you are starting to build on what you have. Number 1 is the contract limits. You have 5 total contracts you can trade, but I stick to 2 in the very beginning, and then I start to move up. In the XFA account, after you've passed your combine account, you only have 2 contracts on the $50,000 account. So it goes down quite considerably and you have a lot more room on that chart. So you have to move that needle a lot more in order to make more. If there are no trades in the market, don't force it. Trade what the market gives you and only what the market gives you. Don't trade what you think the market is going to do because the market doesn't care what you think. Walk away, go lift weights, build another business because boredom beats bankruptcy. Trust me. And trade your hours. If the market's trading 22 hours a day, choose 2 to 5 good hours that you can focus on protecting your sanity and your money so that you're always making more. Even if you take a little bit of a loss, that's normal. All traders take losses, but you want to protect your sanity and you want to protect your money. So trade for minimal hours when you feel that you can actually put the focus time in. Here's what's next. I'm going to show you my back office and what you have access to and what the other pros on Top Step are doing so that you know where their positions are. First, this is where you can see how the trade looks and how to make your trade. There is an order area on the right. You can put that anywhere you want. And then you have your chart in the middle. And you've got all of your indicators, whatever you choose. This is also built on TradingView. So if you know how to use TradingView, you can use the indicators there. And it's very simple. When you pass that Combine account, which is the $50,000 account that you're purchasing for 49 bucks, you'll pay another fee to sign up for your funded account. And that's $149. And that's a one-time fee and you have no monthly fees. All you do is trade the same way you were trading, make money, and take your withdrawals. It's very simple. And I would highly recommend you're tuning into the Top Step TV in the morning and just listening to what they have to say. So here's what your stats look like when you pass your Combine account. You can get some more information. This is one of the Combine accounts that I have passed, and this is how it looks. In the next videos that I'm going to be making on my channel, I'll show you the top 3 indicators for 2025 that I'm using and the exact tools on how I'm setting up my charts. When I get to 2,500 subscribers on my YouTube channel, I'll be dropping my trading blueprint, which is Woo! How I plan my trades, the exact routines I have, and the journal templates that I have. And I'll be giving those to you when I get to 2,500 subscribers. Make sure to subscribe, ring the bell, and like this video if you found something about it that you truly appreciate. Now you can turn your trades into your own business, which is super, super cool. Here are your next steps because there are power in numbers. And I really want to grow my channel so that I can get this information out to more people like myself who were not as courageous, or maybe they doubted themselves, or maybe they thought they wanted something else to do and they really liked the idea of trading, but they didn't know how to get started. This is the time to bet on you. And if you feel the same way, then go like this video. Then when you subscribe to the channel, like I said, you're going to get the indications. If you ring the bell, you'll get those indications of when I drop the next video about the tools. So I want to hit 2,500 subscribers together, and I'd like you to be there along with me. So let's go. I'll see you in the next video.